It's a big old beast on the side of the road. Mid-1980s. UH16 Hitachi. Full Roadbuilder gear. No hydraulic thumb, it probably had one. Had some boom repairs, cracks, while he spent time in the rock, obviously building log roads. I like this guarding. It's the big old stuff, the old 80s stuff. Big UH hood, tall square ones you can't see over. Just regular undercarriage. Quite a wide bucket on it too. Boss, never heard of that one. Dug right down to the shanks. Oh, there's a new one. Here's a first. Check that out. Hole right clean through the boom.